Recently, Tesla has been teasing several different prototypes of the Tesla Model 2, ranging from the sleek white test version to silver, vibrant red, and even a special blue variant showcased at the future Drive Expo event. However, despite all these teasers, this still isn't the official commercial version that Elon Musk has frequently mentioned. According to his repeated confirmations, Tesla will officially unveil the Model 2 at the upcoming shareholder meeting next month, complete with a completely new design and a host of groundbreaking technical upgrades. This is expected to be Tesla's first affordable electric vehicle with a starting price of $15,990. Yet, it still carries the brand's DNA, powerful performance, advanced self-driving technology, and ultra-fast charging capabilities. Tesla has invested a lot of effort and technology into the Model 2, particularly the new compact vehicle platform, which helps lower production costs without compromising on quality or driving experience. Elon Musk even emphasized in a recent statement, "Wait and see what Tesla does with the Model 2. It will change everything." This is expected to be Tesla's best-selling product during the end of 2025 and early 2026. In the latest update, Tesla confirmed that the Model 2 will be equipped with Level 4 autonomous driving, meaning the car can fully operate on its own in most situations. It will be able to park itself, charge its battery, and even operate as a robo-taxi to earn money for you when you're not using it. And trust us, Tesla engineers have confirmed that customers will save about $1,400 by using the Model 2. And with 19 recent updates in both design and specs, you definitely won't want to miss out. Let's explore what are the 19 latest updates for the Tesla Model 2. All right, now imagine this. You leave the office, open the Tesla app, and your Model 2 automatically drives out of the parking lot and heads straight to pick you up. You get in, activate home trip mode, and it quietly takes you home. Sounds like a dream, right? But Elon Musk is making that dream a reality. On June 27, 2025, Tesla marked a significant milestone in the autonomous vehicle industry by completing the first fully automated delivery of a Model Y from the Gigafactory in Austin, Texas, directly to a customer's home. The vehicle is capable of driving entirely on public roads, including highways at speeds up to 72 miles per hour, and even performing parking maneuvers without anyone inside the cabin or remote control. Initially, the tests and deliveries were limited to the geographic area around Austin, where Tesla's robo-taxi pilot program was deployed with strict safety protocols in place. However, according to Elon Musk's announcement, the scaling and expansion will begin from Tesla's U.S. factories, particularly in Texas and Fremont, and gradually extend to larger regions. It is expected to be officially implemented with the Tesla Model 2 starting in early 2026 with both the standard and long-range versions available. Recently, in early October 2025, Elon Musk shared through a Reuters report that the first automated car deliveries were completed a day ahead of schedule. With the Tesla Model 2, the car will automatically plan and navigate routes, including stopping for charging at appropriate stations and handling complex traffic situations. Notably, the vehicle is capable of automatically parking in the customer's driveway or along the curb while notifying the owner via the Tesla app, creating a completely automated experience from start to finish. Indeed, the Tesla Model 2 is making waves in the electric vehicle industry as Elon Musk officially confirmed that the price will range from just $15,990 to $20,000. An incredible price for such a fully featured electric car. The standard version offers a range of up to 280 miles, while the long-range version can go 310 miles, all for around $20,000. You might think this is too good to be true, but the Tesla Model 2 is indeed shaking up the entire electric vehicle market. So, how can Tesla sell an electric vehicle at such a low price while still ensuring quality? This might lead you to question whether the car is truly reliable, and you may consider a safer alternative, opting for a hybrid vehicle, which is currently popular. Hybrid cars allow you to still enjoy fuel savings while retaining the flexibility of a traditional gasoline engine. This could be a more cautious choice, especially for early adopters, given the relatively high price of fully electric vehicles compared to traditional gas-powered cars. Indeed, price is always the most important factor for consumers. And if you're looking for an affordable electric vehicle, you'd likely think of models like the Toyota Prius, Honda Insight, or Ford Escape Hybrid, all of which range from $29,000 to $35,000. However, if you're seeking a vehicle under $20,000, the Tesla Model 2 is the ideal choice. Consider popular hybrid vehicles like the Toyota Prius, priced around $25,000. It may seem like a more reasonable option compared to the Tesla Model 2, but let's take a moment to think it through. The lower price comes with several trade-offs. With its hybrid engine, the Toyota Prius offers a range of about 500 mph by combining gasoline and electricity, but it lacks the ability to recharge like a fully electric vehicle. While fuel efficiency is a strong point, the Prius falls short on modern technology features and the autonomous driving capabilities that the Tesla Model 2 offers. Another important point to consider is that maintenance costs for hybrid vehicles are generally higher due to their combination of two engine systems, gasoline and electric. This means that when repairs are needed, you'll face costs for both systems along with the potential need to replace the hybrid battery, which can run into the thousands of dollars. Additionally, hybrid batteries typically need replacing after 8 to 10 years of use, and the cost to replace a battery in vehicles like the Toyota Prius can range from $3,000 to $6,000. In contrast, the Tesla Model 2 only uses a single electric powertrain, which means maintenance and repair costs are significantly lower. For example, if you need to replace the battery in the Tesla Model 2, the replacement cost is much more affordable compared to a hybrid vehicle with an estimated price of around $3,750. Additionally, maintaining and repairing an electric vehicle like the Tesla Model 2 is generally much easier and cheaper as it lacks the complex internal combustion engine system found in hybrids. Moreover, the Toyota Prius and similar hybrid models lack advanced driver assist features like the high-level autopilot system available on the Tesla Model 2. This can significantly reduce your driving experience, especially when compared to Tesla's full self-driving FSD.